In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back use this arrow at the top left one. Now copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on this clipboard icon again and tap on your text here. If you wish to use it after longer than an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete any text you copied or cut, you can swipe it to the right or hold it and use pin icon. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!